welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to audition for YG. This is a part of the series where I teach you guys how to audition for a lot of companies, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those. So if you go to my Instagram, then my highlights, the first thing is audition week, so you can check out my schedule there, and I've uploaded the specific schedule, so it'll start on December 15th and then end in December 24th. So make sure you are ready for all of these because I do have a playlist of these. Check those out if you are interested in auditioning for other companies as well. So if you guys want to audition for a specific company that is not in this series, then go join Patreon because that is where I help you guys with your auditions and just things like that. Every little thing I help you guys with. So yeah, let's just get on to the video. First up, YG Audition on Google, and we're just going to go to the first thing there, but you can also click the link in my description box to find the website. So let's just go. Did they spell audition wrong? Auditioning. Okay, apply audition. There's an English version. So if you guys are, if it says Korean up here, then you don't want to click anything. If it says English up there like this, then you want to click it so it turns into English. And we're just going to go into the audition. So it says vocal, rap, dance, and any gender. So anyone born from 1920 to 2020. Application restricted period is monthly. So what this means is that you can only apply once every month. So every month you can audition. Whenever, whoever, wherever. Let's apply for the audition. So you actually have to register, which I really hate about this. It's just so inconvenient, you know? So terms and conditions, I agree, whatever. Make sure you read that though, okay? Nationality, let's just say other countries. I'm going to say that I am from Canada. What should my last name be? I don't want it to be last name. Let's just make it Smith. Okay. No, actually that's weird. Let's just make it Lee. You know, I'm sure there are other Irene Lees out there. My last name is not Lee, but we're just going to do that. Date of birth, year is 2005. I literally sound like I'm punching someone. I'm not. Just my keyboard. So this is just a random number. Please don't call them. Enter your email. So we're just going to enter our email. See how slow this takes compared to other ones? And then we have to verify. So inconvenient. Oh my goodness. So it just says confirm your registration. So we're just going to copy and paste that into our verification code. It's been verified. And then password. So I'm just going to make that my password and then sign in. Oh, sorry, I also have to agree to these. Is that all of them? Yeah, just 2 terms and conditions. Make sure you read them before do it. What? Alphabet, numbers, and specials. Okay. Oh, YG. So now let's start. Let's apply the audition now that we have logged in. Great. I agree. I agree. Make sure to read them before. Just because I'm not handing this in, I'm not reading them. Oh my god, that kind of shocked me. I was like, what? Who the heck is Irene Lee? Next. Let's just go to dance. I guess they also allow you to have a second choice. So let's just go for vocal. It's height in centimeters, not in foot and inches or whatever you guys use. So address. So I just made up an address. I don't live here, obviously. And occupation, name and year of school. So, and they also look for your blood type. Like, why? Like, if you're a type O, are they not going to accept you or something, or what? So I'm guessing you have to have your name of school and then your year of school. So when you graduate. So mine would be 2023, and I don't want to share my school name here, obviously, so I'm just going to put in, I can't think of anything. I'm going to put in Rock. Yes, that's my school name. School of Rock? Oh my god, okay. And then you're going to add in the languages that you are fluent in. That ETC is for French, me, but like hobbies or specialties. So we're going to put in our hobby. So last time for the JYP audition, I said that I was good at ballet. I am not. So let's just put in ballet, choreographing, dances. Experiences such as dance competitions, TV shows, modeling, trainee experiences in other companies. So if you guys have never done these before, if all you've done is dance classes, I wouldn't exactly put that down on YG audition. So let's just put in NA because it's not applicable. Next. Oh, please enter your detailed address. I don't know, what should I write? 23? I don't know. They're gonna look at this and be like, what the heck? So, profile photos and then attach pictures. They say to attach front face photos without filter or app. And then please attach your photo or front face, upper body, full body additionally. So any of these you're going to add. So your face and then your upper body or your full body without filter or app, obviously. And then you're going to attach your videos. So make it near 1 minute and 30 seconds because that's what they look for. And you have to show your front upper body at a bright place. And then attach your dance video showing your full body at a bright place. And then your appearance category, which I'm assuming is the modeling category, or like sometimes I'll have just models for advertisements, things like that. You have to put in all of these. So I'm just going to put in all of them. So I just attached random pictures and random images. And then the next one is to confirm your application. So after about 5 minutes. So this is taking a really long time to load. So we're just going to go to the next step if it will allow me to. I'm not sure why it's not working. And it's just loading really, really slowly. But I think you get the point. All you have to do is confirm your application. So that is that. Thank you so much for watching. There will be other parts of this series, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on them. Just a reminder that this is the schedule for this upcoming K-pop audition week. So it already started on Tuesday and it will be continuing through until 24th. So make sure you screenshot this, write it down, whatever you need to do. And please be there for all of them because who knows, maybe you want to audition for more companies because you do get a better chance that way, right? Again, if you guys would like to have tutorials for other companies, go join Patreon and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Ow.